guys. Got a this nylon carpet here. Got some pet stains throughout the carpet. Really high quality carpet. I thought it was actually wool, but I did a test on it. No, it's nylon. So yeah, all throughout here is pet problems. So I'm gonna go ahead and treat that. And there's another room. It's just normal traffic and a really beautiful home out in the country. And yeah, so I'm gonna use carpet detail. I'm going to use 20 volume, but I do have a new product I might try. I got it specifically for wool rugs. Woolzyme. This stuff right here, guys, is safe for wool. If you guys were looking for a pet stain removal, organic removal product that's safe for wool, which I know, guys, if you're hot rod extraction guys, most people just don't want to touch it. Well, a little bit of research, and I found this product. I am going to be using it next week. I'm going to do a video on it and see how it works. I got a wool rug to do, pet problems, and we're going to see how that works. So, anyway, stay tuned. I already vacuumed, and I'm going to go ahead and run my lines and pre-spray and get to clean. So actually, I got some undoes it. A little bit left in. I think I'm gonna use that. It's got a odor to it. You can see how it just disappears. Stain. Now this is professional grade stain removal. All right, guys. This is 20 volume peroxide. Okay, so if you don't think the 20 volume is effective, just as good. This is professional grade spot removal. So when you do this, kind of spray outward, right? That way you don't, if it lightens up at all, you don't get some sort of spot in there. You kind of missed it out. Blends better. Alright. Okay, so I forgot I was out of carpet detail, so I'm using a Bio 08. I got this product from Actually, I didn't get it from him, but he was using it. I figured I'd give it a try a while back from Integrity Cleaning. He's got a really good YouTube channel too, guys. Go ahead and check him out. But yeah, I had this on the truck, so I'm using this today. I am going to go ahead and use a rinse on it though, because I'm not sure about how, well this stuff dries up and stuff. So I'm going to rinse, make sure I give you, it's an all fiber rinse by ProChem. Yeah, so I already pre-sprayed everything. I'm going to scrub now. finished up. Look at this beautiful place. Sorry for the dirty window, dirty van. It's been sporadically raining and not raining. I don't know. It doesn't want to make up his mind around here. So, yeah, finished up. Customer was happy. There was a few spots in there that I think she used a red rag to clean up some urine. So it had a little reddish tint to it. But other than that, I mean, there's really nothing you can do about that. But I did give her some tips on a safe pet stain removal products, and I told her never use any colored rags to wipe up the pet urine. Anyway, yeah, so she was really appreciative. I actually gave her a little bit, 20 volume peroxide, and told her just to, spray it on there and just fan it out, and she won't have any permanent stains anymore. So, yeah, just kind of a little extra I do just to keep my customers happy, and that they call me again. That's what's gonna make a business successful. Repeat customers, not new ones all the time. So, short video, but hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. See you in the next video.